Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make traditional pho easy guide. Begin by roasting beef bones and onion, then simmer gently with charred spices for a clear, deeply flavored broth for at least 4 hours. Skim the surface, strain well, and season with fish sauce, rock sugar, and salt. Prepare fresh rice noodles, thinly sliced beef, and herbs to assemble the bowls just before serving. Enjoy the aromatic result with lime and jalapeno on the side. To make a rich pho broth, roast beef bones and char vegetables to build depth, then simmer with star anise, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, and ginger for 4 to 6 hours. Keep the pot just below a boil and skim foam often for clarity. Finish by balancing salt, fish sauce, and a touch of rock sugar, and strain very fine before assembling bowls with noodles and thin beef slices. Select fresh rice noodles if possible, and blanch them briefly in boiling water for 10-20 seconds to preserve chew and texture. Arrange thin beef slices, brisket, or tendon on top of drained noodles, and pour hot broth directly to cook the beef to medium rare. Offer garnishes like Thai basil, cilantro, bean sprouts, lime wedges, jalapeno slices, and hoisin or sriracha for personal seasoning. Enjoy a balanced bowl with contrasting textures and bright flavors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.